Welcome to the world of deep learning, where innovation meets intelligence. In 2023, the top 5 technologies you should learn as a deep learning enthusiast are. Number 1. TensorFlow. TensorFlow, the powerhouse of deep learning frameworks. Master this versatile tool to build and train complex neural networks for image recognition, natural language processing, and more. Number 2. PyTorch. PyTorch, the flexible deep learning library. Dive into the world of dynamic neural networks and leverage PyTorch intuitive APIs for rapid experimentation and prototyping. Number 3. GPT. Generative pre-trained transformer. GPT, the breakthrough in language modeling, discovered the power of large-scale pre-training and fine-tuning to generate human-like text and advanced natural language understanding. Number 4. Computer vision. Computer vision, the eyes of AI, explored the realm of image and video analysis, leveraging deep learning techniques to detect objects, classify scenes, and even understanding human emotions. Number 5. Transfer learning. Transfer learning, the shortcut to efficiency. Unleash the potential of pre-trained models and learn how to adapt them to new tasks, accelerating your deep learning projects.